On the third day, a real wolf came. The boy shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! Please help!" But this time, no one came. The villagers thought he was joking again. The wolf chased the sheep, and the boy was very sad.
I will show you how to create these types of kid stories with AI tools. But first, look. This YouTube channel got over 2.3 million views from their very first video. And the video? A simple AI-generated stories. But that's not all. They also gained 67,000 subscribers. Now that's an amazing success story. And here's another example. A kids channel with more than 2.7 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, it earns thousands of dollars every month. So clearly, kid story videos are a money-making niche. Parents love them, and kids can't stop watching. The people behind these channels are earning hundreds of dollars every day, just by creating simple videos that get millions of views. Now here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech expert. Even if you're brand new, you can make your first video in under 15 minutes after watching this tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how to use AI tools to write cool kid stories and turn them into videos that can actually make you money. We'll keep everything simple and beginner-friendly. And guess what? We'll use free AI tools to do it all, quickly and easily. And at the end, we'll watch the video we make together. So, step 1. Writing the story with AI. We'll start by writing a kid story using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and give it a simple prompt. For example, write a short story about a young shepherd boy who loves looking after sheep. Also, ask ChatGPT to use easy words, keep the story short, under 1,000 characters, and include a moral lesson. Why? Because parents love short, meaningful stories that teach something valuable. Hit enter. And see, ChatGPT gives you the full story in seconds. Next, you'll need a title. You can think of one yourself, or just ask ChatGPT to suggest a title for you. It'll give you one instantly, and you can tweak it if needed. So now your story is ready. Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Creating the voiceover. For voiceover, we'll use ElevenLabs, a powerful tool that turns text into human-like speech. Copy your story from ChatGPT and paste it into ElevenLabs. If it's your first time, just sign up using Google or your email. You'll see different voice options, male, female, accents, and speaking speeds. Try a few and pick what sounds best. For this video, I'll choose this voice. Paste the story, set your preferences, and click Generate. In a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready to download. Great. Now we have the story and the voice.
Once there was a young shepherd boy. Every day he took his sheep to the hill and watched over them, but he felt bored and wanted some fun. One day he shouted, "Wolf, wolf, a wolf is chasing my sheep!" The villagers ran up the hill to help. But when they got there, the boy laughed.
Generating images with AI. Time to turn our story into visuals using MidJourney or Leonardo. I will use Leonardo as it is much easier and gives enough credit for a project. To use Leonardo, sign up from your Google account. Go to Image, select Model Phoenix 1.0, select Style 3D Render, Image Dimension 16 by 9. For image prompts, you can also ask ChatGPT to break your story into prompts for each scene. That makes it easy to generate a picture for every part. Now ask ChatGPT to create the scenes of the story. After scenes, ask ChatGPT to create image prompt of each scene. Copy and paste each image prompt into Leonardo. It will create the images, and you can save them from your gallery later. Now your story has visuals. Let's animate them. Step 4. Turning images into videos. Next, we'll use Runway ML to animate those pictures. Go to Runway and sign up. Once you're in, look for the Image to Video tool. Upload your first image and click Generate. In seconds, you'll get a short animated video. Download it. Repeat this for every image, and by the end, you'll have a full set of animated clips. We're almost there. Just one step left. Step 5. Putting it all together in CapCut. Now it's time to put everything together using CapCut, a free, easy video editing tool. Open CapCut and create your free account. Start a new project. Upload all your animated clips and the voiceover you made earlier. Drag the voiceover to the timeline at the bottom. Then, arrange your video clips above it in the right order. You can add smooth transitions between scenes and even auto-generate captions by going to the Text tab and choosing Auto Captions. To make your video even better, add background music from CapCut's free music library. Choose a calm, fun track that fits the story and drag it onto the timeline. Now let CapCut process the video and export your final file. Your animated kid's story video is ready to upload. Let's watch the final video.
Once there was a young shepherd boy who looked after sheep near a village. He loved watching his sheep, but sometimes he felt bored. One day, just for fun, he shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is chasing the sheep!" The villagers heard him and ran up the hill to help. But when they got there, they found no wolf. The boy laughed and said, "I was just joking." The next day, he did it again. "Wolf! Wolf!" he cried. The villagers rushed to help, only to find the boy laughing once more. On the third day, a real wolf came. The boy shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! Please help!" But this time, no one came. The villagers thought he was joking again. The wolf chased the sheep, and the boy was very sad.
That's it. See how simple that was? Just follow these steps and you'll have your own kid's story video in no time. Got questions? Ask in the comments. Tried it already? Share your experience or your favorite AI tool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free videos that help you grow your own money-making YouTube channel.